Namaste children, welcome to your science class. Today we will do S3 of block number 5, kinds of animals. So in today's class, you will be able to identify features that can be used to categorize animals into birds, mammals, fish, reptiles, amphibians. Fins, eggs, hair, ears are the keywords that will be used in today's class frequently. Okay, so take out the pictures of bird from resource sheet and keep them in a separate pile. Then write the name of these birds in your rough notebook, children. You must have heard about mammals. The animals that have hair, ears and give birth to young ones are called mammals. Now you have to identify mammals from the remaining animals in the resource sheet and keep them in a separate pile. For your convenience, I am attaching the resource sheet once again so that you can see and identify different animals. Now open S3, look at the pictures of animals and do question number 1, which again asks you the difference in the animals shown in the two rows. Till then, you can pause the video and resume again later. Now it's thinking time, children. What physical feature is common to the animals in the first row and not found in the animals present in second row? So you can see in the first row all the animals are fish. Why fish? They all have fins. So they are categorized by their fins. Now put all the animals having fins in a separate pile. And then think of, can you name a fish which does not have fins? Think of it, children. Now, out of the remaining animals, can you find any common physical feature in any of the two animals? Cobra, frog, tortoise must be remaining. Find out any common physical feature present in them. Please find it out. I think they have scales on their skin and they come under the category of reptiles. Please explore and find it out. Children, you will see a table in the next slide. You have to copy that table in your rough notebook and complete the table for all the animals present in the resource sheet as shown in the table. One example is done for you. After completing the table, you can open page number 31 and do S3 in your skill book. First question we have already done. Question number 2. What physical feature is common to a fish? Think of it and write your answer. Then question number 3. What kind of animal is shown in the given picture? Is it a fish, reptile or a mammal? Why do you say that? And the picture given here shows whale baby drinking milk from the mother whale. So think of it. That's all for today. Thank you, children.